Hi, welcome to the Year 9 Awards Assembly, and we're going to be celebrating your successes this year. And now for the awards for our Whitley values. For Community Minded, we've got Michelle and Rebecca. For Stickability, we've got Paul and Jamie Griffith. For High Aspirations, Cynthia and Max. For Mental Security, Karena and Megan. And for Communication, Brandon and Aisha Kay. And now for the awards for your subject areas. The first one is English, and that goes to Callum and Holly Joe. For Maths, the award goes to James and Michelle. For Science, Amneet and James. For Modern Foreign Languages, Ella and Aman. For Sports, Eve and Michelle. For Humanities, Callum and Michelle. For Art, Brandon and Lola. For Performing Arts, Hayden and Eve. For IT, Amneet and Kyle. And finally for Food, Rachel and Brandon. And these are the Special Commendation Awards during lockdown. So for people that have worked particularly hard during this challenging period. So special awards go to James Dean, Rachel Clark, Eve Bannon, Brandon Grove and Amneet Bahara. Well done to everybody that's achieved award in this. Stay safe over the summer and we'll see you in September.